Hello everyone. In Laravel, if you are seeing white blank page, even though you have added elements into your view and already the controller is configured and also route is configured and views are totally okay. So what we can do? Here, nothing is showing, but an error is not showing also. So you have to open your view. For example, in this case, I have index of this brand's page, and you have to carefully look into your view code. And if you see something like this at section code, like this one, what you have to do, just remove that section code. And that was the starting line, and we have to remove the ending line. After doing so, you can go ahead and check your page. Okay, now if I go to a new page, like another view here, that page is also not showing. That because I had to remove this section code uh, at section and finally end section. Now if I refresh this page here, we can see it. Okay. Alright, I hope this video helps. If this video helps, please subscribe. Thank you very much.